You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi everyone, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired.
And me! Look, I'm here too!
Alex! We're actually together because we're in
Miami.
Actually Little Havana. But we're getting ready to go on the cruise, but we did not want to keep you guys waiting for these. And why are we here?
The print then cut updates.
Yes, print then cut updates. You guys have been asking for them, and we have them. So let's go ahead and see what updates we got. So what's all new in the new print then cut update? Well, first off, and this one is huge because I know you all have been asking for it, it is going to have a larger max size for the image. Now that depends on the size of paper you're using and the shape of your image, but we'll get more into that. We also have the awesome auto resize feature that they've added. And there's 3 larger paper sizes to choose from to print on. So how big can you go with the print then cut? Now that is totally going to depend on the shape of your project, and to get these numbers we used a hexagon, which seems like it gives us the largest print then cut size. So for the A4 paper size, which is 8.3 by 11.7 inches, the new printable area with that shape is going to be 7.2 by 10.15. Now for regular letter paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inches, that printable area is now 7.44 by 9.62. And for legal paper, that's 8.5 by 14 inches, it is now 9.94 by 15.36. And with the A3 paper size, which is 11.7 inches by 16.5 inches, we now were able to print up to 10.63 by 15 inches. Now you want to keep in mind that these are the maximum sizes you can go, and it will only go this large if your image is not using the outermost corner space. So the image cannot go beyond the markings that you see there in the corners. That's why if you used a square shaped image, you're not going to get the full size because in the corners there, it would run into it. Now let's look at the new awesome auto resize feature. So say you go to make an image, it's too big. It's letting you know here, go to your layers panel to see the warning icon. So look in your layers panel for the item with the exclamation mark, and there it is. It's now giving me the auto resize image feature, which is letting me know for this image, the max size I can go for the paper I have chosen is 8.5 by 7.15 inches. This is awesome because you no longer have to figure out what is the max size you can go to. You can now hit a button and it will tell you what size you can go for that image. Now that is with the current paper size. So you can hit change paper size here. So once you hit change paper size, it's going to pull this up and you can go ahead from the drop down menu and then pick whatever size paper you're working with. You can also choose your paper size. Once you choose the hamburger menu, the 3 lines at the top, just choose settings. And then you can go ahead and go over to load type and then go down and change your print then cut page size here. Now, what are the 3 new sizes? Well, I kind of showed them to you, didn't I, in the other reveals. So let's talk about which ones are new. The legal, the 8.5 by 14 inches. The tabloid size, which is 11 by 17 inches. And the A3, which is 11.7 by 16.5 inches, are all new paper sizes that we can do print then cut on. Now with the legal, it's going to give you 95 square inches of printable area, and it's going to use 80% of the paper. The tabloid, you're going to get 157 square inches of printable area, using 84% of your paper. And then with the A3, it's 163 square inches, using 84.5% of your paper. It's really nice to see that we can go up to 163 square inches of printable area using the bigger paper. How many people now are like, oh my gosh, I need a bigger printer, not a bigger printer, but a different printer, because I know some printers only print certain sizes of paper. And now we want one that prints tabloid, right? Or A3 size. These updates are rolling out in beta now, but they will be going live soon. So go ahead and play around with it and see what you think. We love these updates. So we thank you guys for joining us today.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. The Melody Lane Inspired giveaway is in the comments section below.
The video description below, because this one we're giving away.
Not the comments.
Video description. This video, it's not a video. We're giving away, what are we giving away, Alex? A Maker 3 bundle. Woo. Yes. So go ahead, this is open till the end of February to enter, but good luck to you all, and thank you guys for joining us again, and
happy crafting.
That's what I say, you too.
I just want to say thank you to our amazing admins and supporters.
All of you guys are awesome.
We love you guys. Thanks.